Today we are going to learn between numbers 11 to 20 between numbers. Okay? After 11 and 13 before which number will come? 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Write down 1 to 12. It should sit on the line.
This must sit on the line.
Yeah, it should sit on the line. Write down 1 to 12. We have to write here 1 to 12. 12 and 14. In between which number will come?
5.
13. 1, 3, 13. Write down 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. It should sit on the line. Write down 1, 3, 13. Finished everyone? Finished? 1, 3, 13. Next 14 and 16. In between which number will come? 15. Yes, 15. Write down 1, 5, 15. Write with me 1, 5, 15. It should sit on the line.